Welcome to this tutorial on how to link Zelle free service, a popular peer-to-peer payment system that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started with Zelle, you need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device with the Zelle app or access to online banking. First, check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle by visiting the Zelle website and using the lookup tool. If your bank is listed, you can proceed to enroll in Zelle through your bank's website or mobile app. If not, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app and enrolling with a debit card. To link Zelle to your bank account, start by logging into your online banking or mobile banking app. Look for the Zelle tab or section and click on it to begin the enrollment process. You will be asked to review and accept the terms of service. Then enter your email address or mobile number to receive a verification code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the required field to verify your identity. You will then be asked to link your bank account by selecting the account type and entering your account and routing numbers. Confirm your account information and agree to the terms of service. If you are using the Zelle app, download it from the App Store and follow the in-app instructions to enroll. You will need to enter your debit card information and verify your identity with a code sent to your email or mobile device. To send money using Zelle, simply log into your online banking or mobile app, navigate to the Zelle section, and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive the money directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. To receive money, make sure your bank account is linked to Zelle and that you have enrolled in the service. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited directly into your bank account. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you trust, keeping your account information and passwords secure, and being cautious of phishing scams. Always verify the recipient's information before sending money, and use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, linking Zelle free service to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely send and receive money using Zelle and take advantage of its fast and convenient payment system.